Best schools in Medavakkam. Babaji Vidhyashram School, Sholinganallur, Chennai. Strategic ways to boost learning outcomes of basic education. Students now rely on techniques to improve learning outcomes due to technological advances. Changes in teaching and learning methodologies are required, and students must work at their own pace to complete the learning objectives. To improve student learning outcomes, teachers need to give lectures outside of the classroom, take children on field trips to various places so that they can communicate effectively and observe their surroundings. Various teaching techniques, such as seminars, discussions, improvisations, role-playing, learning games, learning styles, group discussions, etc., can be used to improve student learning outcomes. Additionally, you can use virtual field trips to take your students on educational field trips. Online resources offer a wealth of material in the form of text, videos, photos, graphics, animations, blogs, maps, charts, and infographics to enhance teaching and learning. They also help encourage student engagement for successful learning. In order to obtain better learning results, assessments are carried out in schools. Teachers should assess their students after each chapter using quizzes, games, or other activities to determine their strengths and weaknesses. To determine the extent of improvement, regular feedback to students is crucial.